Hello guys, today I've got DOOGEE BoneBeat Swim Lite and I'm going to show you how to fix no sound playing after connecting your headphones with your phone. So, the first thing you need to do is connecting your headphones to a different device. Like for example, if you're using your private phone, you need to use a different phone, like for example your company's phone, your brother's phone, or a tablet, or a laptop, or a TV. Doesn't matter, just a different device. If it works on other device, the issue is located in your phone. However, if it doesn't want to work, the issue is located in your headphones. If the issue is located in your phone, you need to just look for the support, like your phone support. However, let's focus on the headphones. The first thing that you need to do now is charging them up to 100%. This should fix the issue. If it didn't fix the issue, you need to contact device support and perform a factory reset by holding this plus button, and this middle button, this multifunctional button, for 5 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Now that's it. That's done. And as I said, if it didn't fix your issue, contact the device support. That's it. Bye.